Okay, today's lesson is on central angles and inscribed angles. You are on page 33 in your notebook. We're going to focus a lot on vocabulary today, so make sure you take the time throughout this video to get all the vocab words, to make sure that you draw all the pictures, and then pause the video so that you can make sure you get everything, because I am just going to kind of put up the slides. So this isn't super long, but you will need to pause it in order to get all the information you need, okay? So again, here's your first slide. You're going to want to pause the video so that you can get all this information. And then on Monday when I return, we will go over all of the definitions as well as look at some more problems. Okay, once you have completed all of the vocab words, go grab your homework assignment, and I am going to do 2 problems with you so that you understand what you're being asked for. So again, pause this video right now, go grab the assignment, and then come back. All right, so it says, if an angle is given, name the arc that makes it. If an arc is given, name the central angle. So here we are given arc XW. So arc XW starts at X, try to make sure you can see, and goes to W. Here is arc XW. So since we were given the arc, we are going to name the central angle that it creates. Okay, so here is the arc, here is the angle. So the angle that it creates is angle 2. That is the central angle that arc XW creates. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing for the arcs. Now let's look at number 6, because that one has an angle. So if we're looking at angle 1, what arc does angle 1 create? It creates arc IJ. And we're going to go clockwise. We're going to go clockwise. Okay, you always want to go clockwise. However, I'm going to do number 10 for you also, just so you can see. Now, if we follow the rule of clockwise, oops, this one's going to give us something funny. So we're looking at arc GE. Now, here's G, here's E. Going clockwise includes F. We do not want to include F. It doesn't tell us to here. So if it said arc GFE, then we would go GFE. But because it's from just G to E. This one's gonna go in this direction. So if you can create your own arc, I want you to go clockwise. If it tells you from G to E, you may have to go a different direction. So here's arc G to E, and that creates central angle 3. Okay, you are going to complete this assignment. The more you get done in class, the less you have to do for homework. But if you do not complete it in class, this is homework over the weekend, and we will go over it on Monday.